Welcome to Pai. So it's in the north part of Thailand. It's located sort of 3.5 hour drive north of Chiang Mai in the province of Mae Hon Son. The drive was insane, like 762 turns in the road going through the mountainous regions. We really are sort of way out in the countryside. Yeah. And then there's this little town, which is Pai. Last full day in Pai. That pizza we think may have messed up my stomach. Of all the foods.
Oh, I'm falling already. Oh, we're just gonna kill ourselves walking up a... What is this? A path.
I mean, can you call it a path?
It's not a path.
Where are we right now, Emma?
Pai Canyon. Well, not yet.
We're walking up to Pai Canyon, which is supposed to be the Grand Canyon of Thailand. Although less grand. Oh,
Right, do not go near the edge.
There is no health and safety. Like, oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. Oh my goodness. So Emma's having a bit of a crisis.
I'm not having a crisis, it's just a freaking massive drop to the floor. Both your mum and my mum would be very happy at me saying I don't want to do this.
It's not that bad, Mum. It really isn't.
Oh, so scary. So pretty though.
Crazy beautiful. Okay, so we've arrived at the Waterfalls. She had 3 kids on her bike as well as herself.
Oh, hiking is so hard.
So I think the water is meant to be higher up. For example, it's not spilling over into the other pool. back from the waterfalls, and it's snack time for sure before we head out to see the White Buddha. So drinks wise, Fanta grape. Emma went for the peach iced tea again, and it's mainly crisps that we're going to be trying today. So like, these are super lemon flavored and melon.
Bingsu. I think it's just normal melon. Maybe it's like, I mean that's like ice cream. Maybe it's like.
What?
Should you try these
In
ones
crisps?
first? It smells horrible. It smells like ice cream. Ooh.
Oh, that actually smells. What have you done, Lays?
I did at the same time. Oh, nah. Don't put it all in your mouth, I don't think. That is so.
What? How have they done that? Like. No. Pass me my drink.
So these ones are the icy lemon ones.
Okay, they smell a bit like salted crisps with like a lemon. Do you know what? It might be like Doritos
Smells-
hint of lime. That's what I'm hoping for.
It's got like a bit of green shit on it.
Okay. So, Lay's cooling sensation, icy lemon flavour going in.
They just taste like toilet cleaner. They're not as bad.
I see what they're going for with that. Because hot day, grab a little lemony.
Like,
I would never ever buy them.
no, but I could eat these.
Yeah.
They're like,
The melon was horrendous. We don't know if this is where we're supposed to be, but there are steps here, and supposedly there's 395 of them, although official records say there's like 350. But somebody counted on Google reviews and was like, there's actually 390, so I'm going with him. But we're climbing up to see one of Pai's most famous tourist attractions, which is the White Buddha on the hill,
well, maybe.
hopefully, because right now this is what we're seeing. So that doesn't look like a white Buddha to me. That looks more like a golden bell. Okay, first little set done. I mean, it really is. I don't know if you guys can see, or like how well you can see that sunset. Obviously you can see it, it's the bleeding sun. But we don't have long to get up there. Alright, the last push. Here we go. We made it. I'm not sure where Emma's disappeared to. I think maybe to sit down somewhere. Just in time as well. Because that sun is about to go behind the mountain. So we're gonna get a pineapple shake, which is 20 baht, so 50p set. That's 21, I think. Thank you. So this is literally just blended pineapple.
And a little bit of water.
Just add some water.
Yeah.
Yo, what?
No, really.
I'm surprised at like how nice. That is so refreshing.
So nice.
Sawasdee krap.
Can we get a chicken one, please?
Chicken. Okay. Spicy.
No thanks.
Barbecue sauce.
I don't even know where to get it from.
Oh yeah, I think I made a good choice. We'll see though. So it's just been lined with butter. Sorry, Dad. Lined? Laced. Coated. All of the food words. Lined? Is that completely wrong?
That's like if you were making like a cake, you say, oh, I'm just going to line the tin.
With butter? Yeah, it's the same.
Let's try it. Imagine I dropped it on the floor.
I would cry it was a whole 10 baht.
Oh, that's really good.
It was like 25p. Show us the inside.
That's really yummy. It's like a samosa bit in like puff pastry. I'm really excited.
Oh, it's beautiful. So, this is just the veg one, but you can get like any curry. They had green curry, obviously because we're in Thailand, but also like,
Tuna.
did they? Tuna. Oh, Mum, you will love this. It's like a samosa, but like
What?
samosa. What are you on about?
A samosa?
Yeah,
What is the
Are you a
two?
fan of Yemen?
it's a samosa.
No, it's not. It's a
Whatever it is.
samosa.
Samosa. Oh.